Oh hey, so this is not a pretty pen. It wasn't intended to be. I got the idea for the plastic bottle heat shrink wrap action from a video that's in the description of this video. Watch that. The whole purpose of this no pen challenge for me was, what else can we do with this plastic bottle shrink wrap thing? Watch that video. It inspired me to come up with this, and this is in there pretty tight. I mean, I don't know, I just thought it was really cool, a way to upcycle, recycle, use some of, I mean, plastic bottles are like the worst thing in the world as far as being all over the planet and the ocean and everything else. So I'd really love, I challenge you guys to, not just a pen, go make something with the plastic bottle. Watch the video again in the description. I can't take any credit. Watch that video. I had nothing to do with it. I got this idea from that. I would like to see what your ideas from that are. And here's my entry for the no lathe pen challenge. We'll check you guys out later. Thanks.